Hi everyone, do you want to make your Zoom meetings more secured? In today's video I will show you how to set Zoom password. One of the best ways to do that is by setting a meeting password. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to do it in just a few steps. Before we get started, we all know Zoom with its powerful features like HD video and audio, screen sharing, virtual background, chats, breakout rooms, and etc. So, first, we need to be signed in to our Zoom app or and the website. Then we go into schedule. Okay, here is some blanks that we need to fill, like event name, Zoom meeting. For example, we can set the time of the meeting, etc. Okay, here is the thing. Zoom makes a password for you automatically, so you can change it like 12345 6. And that's it thing, as I told you in the beginning, to make your Zoom meeting secured. That's it. And that's the subject of the video, guys, and I hope that was helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.